yes, keep in shape. Hello guys, welcome back again in my kitchen. We need high quality, we need delicious taste, and we need time. So this is gonna be the thing. Fast, delicious, and super healthy recipe, guys. Today we're gonna make a high protein recipe with a really low percentage of fat and carbs. Right guys, let's prepare our recipe. Alright, first thing first, we cut our onion. Once it's chopped, we add some olive oil on our pan. Extra virgin olive oil, full of vitamin E for our skin and really good for our stomach. Medium fire, and we're gonna add our onion. We cook for 3-4 minutes our onion in the way it becomes blonde and soft. Remember guys, always try to avoid to burn our onion, our garlic, which is the base of our sauce, otherwise all the sauce is gonna have this not nice taste of burn. In the meantime guys, I'm gonna chop 1 spicy pepper and let's add to our onions. Here you are guys, you see, once our onion is really nice, it's time to add our meat first. High fire guys, because we need to roast our meat, not to boil. This is not what we like. Look guys, look how amazing, perfectly roasted is our meat after 5 minutes. So 4 minutes for our onion, 5 minutes for our meat, and then now it's time to add our beans. Fagiolini, so with beans with the highest quantity of protein per 100 grams. As soon as we add the cannellini, we're gonna add 2 pieces of rosemary, entire like this, so we can take it out. We just need to give a really nice flavor to our meat. We still keep the high fire and we cook for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, we add our last ingredients, which is 250 grams of our amazing homemade tomato sauce. We're gonna add 1 teaspoon of salt. Once it's all mixed, we cover and we let cook for the last 10 minutes at medium fire. Here we are guys, look at this. Wow! We take out our rosemary and let's plate it. We add a drop of olive oil, some black pepper, and here we are guys. Our chili con carne Italian style by Chef Paolo is ready. Alright guys, this is the best moment and this is gonna be my meal of the day. You know, I prepare for 2 people, but actually I'm gonna eat half at lunch and half at dinner. Plus those amazing recipe of a healthy, high protein breakfast I show you guys. This is a perfect, balanced diet. Make your life healthy. We are what we eat, and some training help our body to eliminate all the toxins and to feel really healthy and in shape. And we can eat super delicious things. Mamma mia! You can eat it with a slice of bread if you like. You can put inside 1 tortillas. I will show you to make some really nice homemade healthy tortillas together. Try this at home guys. It's super simple and it's super fast. Next time, here guys, next recipe, always with Chef Paolo, and yes, keep in shape. Se vedremo!